Until now, the level of safety you wanted in a car belonged to the realm of expensive European saloons, well beyond the reach of most Australian families. But now, there's an Australian car with independent rear suspension, standard. Anti-lock braking, standard. The life-saving technology of the airbag, standard. And with over 50 features in Holden's total safety systems, standard. Introducing the all-new Holden Commodore Acclaim, the safest Australian family car ever. At under $30,000, it puts safety within your reach. The all-new Holden Commodore Acclaim, the safest Australian family car.